SUMISANSUI is an irrigation hose for professional growers. Through micro-perforated spray holes, fine droplets spread across the whole field. The irrigation hose can bring you multiple benefits. One is easy handling due to its compactness, and the efficient irrigation provides consistently high yield and great water savings. SUMISANSUI are wide. It runs straight for 100 meters, spraying 5 meters on each side, covering 10 meters total. You can simply walk and set the hoses in a short time. There's no need to carry large volumes of materials from your warehouse. Look at the beautiful watering, like a soft rain. The fine droplets gently wet the field and penetrate the soil. They create ideal conditions for germination and rooting. It is especially effective to ensure the uniform growth for dense crops in short cycles, such as baby leaf and radish. The uniform irrigation from the start to finish, which removes unnecessary overlapping from multiple spray units, and it reduces risk of pooling or water runoff. It saved up to 40% water compared to conventional methods in our trials, and in all trials, we confirmed consistently high yields. Water saving is not just sustainability. Using less water per area makes the land more valuable in dry areas. With SUMISANSUI, we provide long-term support for your farm.